Hey everyone, Kevin here at Weseloh Chevrolet. Hope you're having a great day. Today I wanted to talk about the 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. As you can see, it's one of the biggest vehicles around. You can seat 7 to 9 passengers in the vehicle depending on the trim level. And the one thing that I really love about this car is it'll tow a lot of what you want to tow, but it'll also be a very quiet, smooth ride for your day-to-day activities. So we walk around the front, you can see this vehicle has the upgraded 22-inch rims. Looks beautiful with the color of the exterior, which is platinum graphite. It's got a very sleek looking front, and what really makes this stand out is, you know, everything kind of matches on this vehicle. You have the black bow tie with the black on the mirrors, the tinted windows. It looks really, really nice. It's really easy to drive because you have sensors and you have backup camera. You have everything to help navigate you into a tight parking spot, maybe a campsite, beach parking, wherever you need to fit. It's going to help you fit. The Suburban has a standard 5.3 V8 engine. But what's nice is Chevy also offers a 6.2. So for your big boats, trailers, you can actually have a max towing capacity of 8,300 pounds. Available on some Suburbans is you have the hands-free easy lift tailgate. Got all your connections for your towing. This vehicle is available with the push button for a full electronic push down for the seats. This one is going to have the manual, which is still really easy, and you can see you got about at least 6 feet of room. You could even sleep in here if you wanted to. So what's nice about the power lift tailgate as well is with this button, if it's out of reach, there's actually 2 different stages you can have this depending on your height. Or easy as that, just double click on the keypad. Let's hop on in. So now that we're on the inside, you can really see or hear how quiet it is. You have an acoustic windshield, and each door is triple sealed. You actually have a vibration in the seats. So when you're getting really, really close to something, you're gonna feel it vibrate. Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can see it's really easy to maneuver around this. I got my audio, phone, projection. What that projection screen is you're essentially working your phone screen on this screen, which is an 8-inch screen. I wanted to thank you all for your time today going over the 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. What I'd like to do is invite you in, talk to a product specialist, and find out really what Suburban is right for you, your family, for your lifestyle. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.